Sam Bankman-Fried is the guy who sets records. First, he was the youngest billionaire. Then he was the guy who lost the most money of user funds. And now he's the guy who has the highest bail set at $250 million. That's what we're going to talk about today. Where that money came from? Was it user funds? Who knows? But if you guys want to learn more what we are doing with our crypto and why and how we are sure to keep our crypto out of the hands of criminals like Sam Bankman-Fried and anyone running a centralized custodial platform, how we secure our cryptos, you have to check out the CT Club. A link for it is down below. We've done a bunch of trade alerts lately talking about the coins that we are bullish on in the future for the next bull market and beyond. If you want to know what coins those are, check out the CT Club. So Sam Bankman-Fried, his bond was set at $25 million. Typically, I think people have to pay like 10% of that. So even $25 million is very expensive for someone who claims to only have $100,000 to their name because Sam lost it all in a boating accident. No, he lost his money. He lost his money, and he definitely lost $8 billion of his user funds and investor funds in addition to that. But now, where is this, even if it's $25 million, where is that money coming from? Because the judge that granted this bail said that basically he's granting bail because he doesn't classify him to be, he agrees with Sam's lawyers in saying that Sam is not a flight risk because he is just too darn recognizable. Why would that prevent him from flying anywhere? I don't know. Also, he's basically going to be unable to start any new financial businesses or do any other crypto scams because, again, he is so darn recognizable. But you know what? On the blockchain, no one knows you're a fridge. You know that saying? You could be anonymous. You could do a lot of things anonymously online and especially with cryptocurrencies as well. So kind of a weak argument in my opinion. Regardless, we all knew this was coming. He got extradited to the US, instantly basically granted bail, albeit expensive bail. So where did this even $25 million come from? A lot of people are saying, man, user funds. Can you believe it? Let's just imagine for a second that this guy used user funds to buy his parents multiple multi-million-dollar houses in the Bahamas. And now he's going to possibly be using user funds to go ahead and get himself out on bail, on house arrest, where he can leave the house to exercise. He can leave the house for mental health checkups and for rehab. We got to get him clean because he was apparently on some kind of substances. Now, his parents' house, his bail is basically, his parents put up the equity of their house, about $4 million in an effort towards his bail. That's not $25 million. Where did the other over 75% of his bail come from? Apparently it was from another relative and also another outside person. We don't know who these people are, where those funds came from, but $20 million is pretty expensive loan to be giving someone of your relatives, especially with his history. So he's still got some deep-pocketed friends somewhere. We'll be keeping you posted if we ever hear who was the person that covered his bail, where that money actually came from. If it was user funds, then this guy just won't quit. That's going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you guys enjoy it, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Check out the CT Club down below if you want to know what coins we are bullish on in the future. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.